My name is Thomas Andre. I'm an instructor here at the Benteh STEAM Academy in Wasilla, Alaska. In this video, we'll be unbagging the necklace beading kit. In this kit, we'll be making a necklace paying homage to the Athabascan style of beading. So, let's start with opening the bag and looking at what we've got. It might be nice for you to get a bowl from your house, with your parents' permission of course, or a big washcloth or towel, depending on how you want to do things. I prefer the bowl and towel together. So when you get your bag and open it, you can dump everything into your bowl. But be careful, because with this dowel, there is a needle that is taped onto the outside of your sinew, which is wrapped on your dowel. So you got to be careful of that little needle right there pointing out. And then we have our end caps of leather. You should have two. And then we have in your kit 2 knot laces. You should have 12 spacers. You should have 40 hair pipe beads. Your colors may differ in the pony beads that you get. In this kit, there is red and blue. You should have 20 of each color. Out of your glass beads, you'll have different colors. This one has red and white, and there'll be 4 of the bigger beads. And then we have blue with a red and black and white outer flower design. You should have 8 of this size glass beads in your kit also. Now that we've got the unbagging done and you have all of your beads and leather laid out in front of you, catch us on the next video for putting your necklace together.